Did you ever imagine Bangladesh teaming up with Turkey to build a defense powerhouse? Well, that's exactly what's unfolding right now in Dhaka. Tomorrow is a big day. Professor Haluk Gorgun, the Secretary of Turkey's Defense Industries Organization, is flying into the heart of Bangladesh for a one-day visit. And trust me, this isn't just a courtesy trip. This visit could shape the future of Bangladesh's defense industry. Let's break it down. First, Professor Gorgun will meet Professor Muhammad Yunus, the chief advisor to the interim government of Bangladesh. You know, Yunus is a big name, someone who knows how to make things happen. But here's where things get really interesting. Professor Gorgun isn't coming alone. He's bringing a Turkish team with plans to set up a joint Bangladesh-Turkey arms factory right here on our soil. This means, for the first time, we're not just buying technology, we're building it side by side with one of the world's top defense players. Now, why does this matter? Bangladesh has been modernizing its military for years, but most of our equipment still comes from outside. Imagine the impact if we start producing advanced gear ourselves with Turkish expertise. It's a game changer. During his visit, Professor Gorgun will also sit down with the top brass of the Bangladesh Armed Forces, the Army, Navy, and Air Force chiefs. These aren't just photo ops. These are real, behind-the-scenes talks about joint production, technology transfer, and building up Bangladesh's own defense know-how. For Bangladeshis living abroad, this is huge. It's about national pride, yes, but it's also about jobs, skills, and local industry. A joint arms factory could mean new opportunities for engineers, technicians, and young professionals, maybe even family members back home. And think about this. Turkey isn't just any partner. They've got a booming defense industry, famous for drones, armored vehicles, and cutting-edge tech. Partnering with Turkey could put Bangladesh on the map as a serious player in regional security. Of course, there are challenges ahead. Big projects like this always take time. But tomorrow's visit is a major step forward. If all goes well, we could see a Bangladesh-Turkey defense factory rise up in the coming years, making weapons not just for our own military, but potentially for export too. So, next time someone asks about Bangladesh's future, tell them, we're not just dreaming, we're building. And tomorrow, that story takes a big step forward.